Okay, this is my 2001 Ford Explorer, which I was having problems with it not starting and idling. I had to just keep gas on it, and so I finally figured out what the problem is. So let me show you, but it's part of the idle air control valve, the IAC, which is basically, is my understanding, the quarterback of air management. So I'm just going to tell you what I did. I'm not telling you what you should do. But first, I took off these. So I'll take that off with this, I think it's a 9/32 inch socket, and then it's really simple to do. I'll show you the rest. So there is the IAC. So you just have to disconnect this first. You pinch this in and pull it apart, and then you take these two nuts off. I'll show you what to do after that. Okay, so that's where it was. I took a 5/16 inch socket and just undid that. It's very simple. This is what it looks like when it comes out. And so I wound up spraying just some this carburetor choke cleaner. You can use throttle body cleaner. Just made sure this was all cleaned out. It gets gunked in it and soot, and so made sure that was dry after I cleaned it out. Sprayed it really good. But the other part that I did that I didn't see addressed in the YouTube videos was this part here. And so I didn't spray anything in it, but I did basically stuck this in on this side, because you can see there's these, I guess they're nozzles, or that's where the air needs to get through, right there. And some of those were blocked. And this is 20 years, so I just went through there, made sure that by the time I was taking these, I'll show you, I would just put them in like this, and I used several and made sure this was all clean. By the last time I got it out, that you can see that was a little dirty now, but I made sure that it was completely clean, both sides. Put it back together, and it ran marvelously. And this has been about 3 weeks ago. I tried several other things, but this one, it starts with an idle, and it runs smooth, and it just runs quiet, and I hope this helps.